Break, come on!
Whoever wins my £50. Ready, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
What are we doing?
Lucas taking it nice and easy. Coach is bloody troubling with him.
Always take one.
One? It's wrong, John.
Oh, Kane's still chewing. So is Lucan. Oh yeah, he likes them eggs.
Ah, Lucas on the half!
Oh, Lucan's only got 3 left.
I think so
So has Kane.
He's done, I'm going to swallow it.
Oh, Lucan looks like he's loving them. Kane, oh, he doesn't look too good.
This is close.
Oh, this is a very close tie. We don't know what's going to happen.
Right out in a minute, isn't it?
Kane, he looks, can I have a close-up with you, please?
I bet one of them says back in a minute, don't they?
Kane, the 2. Come on! Oh, we don't know who's going to win. Lucan's on quarter.
Do you know the next are about a couple of weeks old?
Oh,
Kane licked all those.
Lucan's loving him. Come on!
You dropped your yoke, mate. Yeah, you got your yoke. Yeah. This is
Is Kane going to win? Is Lucan going to win?
It was pretty even.
What?
No, that's not, man. He's like a bloody The little Kane's got it. Yeah!
Is Kane going to win? We have a very close card. Is Kane going to win? I think Lucan. He's doing very well. So is Kane. He's on his last leg.
Oh, he's going to go first. He's going to go first. Yeah, you need to let me know.
I need to see after